Ladies and gentlemen, today, we take a nostalgic trip back in time to review one of the most iconic cars in Indian history, the Hindustan Ambassador. From ferrying politicians to being a family workhorse, this car has seen it all. Let's dive into its key features, engine performance, and what made it the king of Indian roads for over 5 decades. The Hindustan Ambassador is a perfect example of timeless design. Based on the British Morris Oxford Series 3, its rounded shape, wide stance, and signature chrome grille give it an unmistakable presence. The design remained largely unchanged for decades, and that's what makes it instantly recognizable. The Ambassador's boxy yet elegant curves make it look stately and solid. And let's not forget, its wide body design translates into one of the most spacious cabins you could find in its class. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that spells out comfort. The Ambassador was known for its plush seats, wide legroom, and soft suspension that made long drives feel effortless. Whether you were a politician, a businessman, or a family of 5, this car had enough space to keep everyone comfortable. Even the back seats felt like a mini sofa, perfect for relaxed journeys. And look at the simplicity of the dashboard. No fancy digital screens here, just pure old school charm with an analog speedometer and classic toggle switches. The steering wheel is large, but it gives that traditional, commanding feel when you drive. The later models also introduced some modern elements like power steering, but the essence remained the same. Engine and performance. Now, let us talk about what powers the Ambassador. Over the years, it came with various engine options, each catering to different needs. The early models came with a 1.5L petrol engine that produced around 55 horsepower. Later, Hindustan Motors introduced a more powerful 1.8L Isuzu petrol engine, which was smoother and more refined. And for those looking for fuel efficiency, there was a 1.5L diesel variant, which became extremely popular with taxi operators. So, how does it perform on the road? Well, the Ambassador was never about speed. It was about durability, reliability, and comfort. The body-on-frame construction and soft suspension gave it a ride quality like no other. Even on rough roads, this car glided over potholes with ease. The steering is heavy by modern standards, but it provides excellent stability. The later models with power steering made city driving easier. And while the acceleration wasn't the quickest, the Ambassador made up for it with a smooth and composed ride. So, what made the Ambassador so beloved in India? Well, 3 key reasons: durability, ease of repair, and spaciousness. Mechanics across India could fix it with basic tools, and spare parts were always available. It was a car built to last generations. It became the official car for government officials, including Indian prime ministers. It was also the preferred choice for taxis, thanks to its rugged build and fuel-efficient diesel variant. But as time passed, competition grew. With modern cars offering better fuel efficiency, features, and technology, the Ambassador started losing its market share. In 2014, Hindustan Motors officially ceased production of the legendary car. It was the end of an era, but the legacy of the Ambassador still lives on. Even today, you can spot some on the roads, proudly carrying the history they represent. So, should you buy a Hindustan Ambassador today? Well, if you're a fan of classic cars and want a piece of automotive history, then absolutely. It may not have the latest tech or the best mileage, but it offers unmatched comfort, road presence, and nostalgia. The Hindustan Ambassador was more than just a car, it was an emotion, a part of India's journey, and a symbol of reliability. And that's why, even after its production stopped, it remains an icon of the Indian automobile industry. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay classic.